Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are watching me for the first time here, my name is Vinayak, and in this channel basically what I do, I talk about lead generation for local businesses, primarily using paid ads. So today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up conversion tracking in Google Ads so that you can start making data-driven decisions to improve the performance of your Google Ads and maximize your return on investment. So let's get started. So before I start the video, I want you to understand what is conversion tracking and why it's important in Google Ads.
Okay.
Well, conversion tracking is a powerful tool that allows you to track the actions people take on your website after clicking your ads. These actions can be anything from purchase to form submission or call or maybe app download, and that really allows you to measure your results in Google Ads. By tracking these actions, you can measure the effectiveness of your Google Ads and optimize them for better performance, right? So let's start with the video now. To set up conversion tracking, the very first thing, you need to log into your Google Ads account.
Bruh.
Then in the top, you can see a little wrench over here. You have to click on Tools and Settings, and under the measurement, you have to click Conversions. So after clicking the conversion, this page will load. After the page loads up, you have to click on New Conversion Action. Click on that. In this tutorial, I'm going to set up 3 different type of conversion tracking. First, calls from the website. We're going to set up the conversion tracking for calls from the website and landing pages. And then we are going to set up the conversion tracking for extensions and call only ads. And third, we'll be set up the conversion tracking for form submissions, right? So first thing first, we're gonna set up the conversion tracking for the phone number on the website. We are going to track those calls that you will get from the landing page. I'm gonna start with calls to phone number on your website. Click on that and click continue. You have to set up your conversion name in the first place. So let's name it landing page phone calls. Then scroll down under the value. I'm going to click on the don't use the value for conversion actions, and if you know your value, you can paste it right over here, but I'm going to choose don't use the value. Then under the count, I'm gonna click 1. For example, if the same person is calling you twice, we are not going to count that as 2 leads. We are going to count that as 1 leads instead of 2, right? This is why I chose 1. And then under the phone number, you have to put the same phone number that you are going to use on your landing page. I'm going to put my phone number. And I'm going to copy this phone number and paste it right over here. The phone number from your landing page should be the same phone number you have to paste right over here and also here, right? The call length, I'm going to put it as 40 seconds. When someone talk to you for 40 seconds, I'm going to count that as a lead. I'm going to leave those options as it is. And attribution model as it is, data driven. Over the time I might change the attribution model, but I'm going to leave it as it is right now, and then create and continue. Now the next step is install the tag on your landing page as well as in the thank you page, right? The process is pretty easy. So you can click over here. Google will give you 2 pieces of codes. I built this demo landing page for this tutorial. I'm going to paste this code into the header section of this page. When somebody clicks on your ad and when they redirected to your landing page, the code will fire up. That way you will get to know that somebody visited your landing page through your ad, right? I'm going to copy this code and paste it in the header section of my landing page, and also the second code, the phone snippet, I'm going to copy it and install it in the header section of this page. When somebody clicks on the phone number and call you, then you will get to know that somebody calls you from the ad. and the landing page, right? And copy this codes and paste it right over there, and then hit next. So yeah, you have set up your landing page phone calls conversion actions successfully. So you should be pretty good to go when it comes to landing page phone calls conversion action. Now we are going to set the conversion tracking for call extension. So before we do that, let's come back to the home page. Before we set the call extension conversion tracking, we have to create a call asset. Come down to campaigns and then asset, and click on this plus little icon, and then click on the call, right? But keep in mind, the number has to be the same. The number you are using in the landing page as well as in the thank you page, the number should be the same. I'm gonna put my number over here. We are going to come to this options in a second. Put your phone number, hit save. As you can see, the call asset already been created and it is under the review. In the meantime, again go into measurement and conversion, and now we are going to hit add new conversion action, and then phone calls, and then we will choose this option, calls from ad using call extensions and call on ads, right? So you wanna click that and click continue. So in this section, I'm gonna name it call extension leads. Name it whatever you want, but yeah. So under the value, I'm not going to set a value. On count, I'm going to click on the 1, and call length as the previous one, I'm going to set it at 40, and then create and continue. And you have already created the call extension conversion. And now once again go in the dashboard, come down to asset. So I'm gonna hit edit, and under the conversion action, I'm going to click over here, and as you can see, conversion tracking we created for the call extension. This is showing right over here. I'm gonna click on the call extensions. When somebody clicks on the number and call you, this way you will get to know that somebody called you from the ad, right? Click on save. Now we are going to set up the conversion tracking for the lead form submission. Click on the website. You have to put your domain right over here, scan, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up the conversion action manually, right? So I'm gonna click on that, and I'm going to select the category from here, and I will select submit lead form. And once again, I'm going to name this landing page form submissions. So under the value, I'm going to choose don't use a value for this conversion. Like the previous one, I'm going to click 1, leave it as it is, and hit done, and then save and continue. Under the second option, you will see that the conversion that you have created, you have to click on the see events snippet. In the previous two conversion tracking, we set up the code snippet on every page, including the landing page and the thank you page. The reason for that is to track everything on the page, the calls as well as who is visiting the page from the ads, right? Now in this lead submission conversion tracking, we are going to set up the conversion tracking code in the header section of the thank you page only. If we set the tracking code in every page, what is going to happen is that when someone clicks your ads and lands on the page, every time Google is going to fire this code and count that as a lead. We don't want that. This is the main reason we want to set the snippet code on the thank you page only. The only way to land on the thank you page, when someone filled up their information on the landing page, the code got fired up, then Google is going to count that as a lead. I hope you get the idea. You have to click done, And then as you can see, we have successfully set up those 3 different conversion tracking action, right? So yeah, if you're a local business owner and you're looking to run Google Ads, who actually have the experience with Google Ads and deliver you results, I would be happy to just do a free consultation with you. We can just connect, and if I can see that I can help you out, and if so, we can potentially get a campaign up and running for you. I will leave a Google form in the description box as well as in the comment box. Fill it up and I'll get in touch with you. So that was the video. I hope you get the idea on setting up conversion tracking. If you did, hit the like button to show your appreciation, and let me know if you have any questions from this video in the comment box. I have planned so many videos on lead generation as well as paid ads. Please subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, have a great one. Thanks. Hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone. Bruh. I am the founder